Hello students, how are you? Welcome to Mehdi English School. Myself Nilofer Miss and my subject is mathematics. And my dear students, this online lecture is for the class 2. So I hope that you all are watching the previous video, doing homework very well. I hope that all of you your fair book is complete till this video. So are you all ready for the new video? So let's start the new video today. So let's begin our lecture. As you know that we begin our lecture with what? Every day we start our lecture with the quote. Here is the quote that all things are difficult before they are. In the previous video, the quote is this one only. The quote is same. Why? Because there is something hide behind this quote. Very deep meaning is there in this quote. So students, you have to understood, you have to think about it and just keep with you this quote, just keep in your life, right? Now, as per the name, that chapter number 9, shapes and pattern. So we completed shapes, the topic from the chapter 9, shapes and pattern. We completed the topic shapes. Now we are in the topic pattern. So in the pattern is a very easy thing. You have to just observe the thing first and then you have to move forward. You have to think about it. You have to observe it. You have to think about it and then you have to just write down or draw the next pattern that can complete the pattern. Right, students? So here is the pattern. So first of all, you have to observe this, read the heading and then try to fill the incomplete pattern, and after adding something you have to complete the pattern. Now here is count by fives. What it mean? So here is count by fives and fill in the missing number in the balloons. So you have to add 5 number in each and every number. So you will get the next number. If you want a next number, so you have to add 5 numbers into the numbers. For example, here is the number 5 in the first balloon. Here is number 5 in the first balloon. So you have to add 5 number into the 5 number to get a next number. To get a next number, you have to add a 5 number. Okay. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Here it is. You can see here is 5. You have to add 5 number into it. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. Here you can see 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. So we are getting the next number. For getting the next number to complete the pattern, you have to add 5 number into the 10. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. So this way we have to just get the next number by adding 5 number. So here is 15 number. So you have to add 5 number into the 15 number. You have to add 5 number into the 15 number. So you will get the next number, which is 2020. We are getting the new number, which is 20. We are getting the number. Now if I want the next number to complete the pattern, I just add 5 number into the 20. What I will add? I will add 5 number into the 20. So 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. Here it is. You can see I just fill 25 and complete the pattern. Here is 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. Now to get a next number in the yellow balloon, so for this you have to add 5 number into the 25. To get a new number you have to add 5 into the 25. So 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. What you have to do? You have to add 5 number into the 25. So 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. We are getting the next number, which is 3030. Okay, now let's move to the next number. To get a next number, you have to add 5 number into the 3030. If you want a next number, just add 5 number into the 3030. So 3030 plus 5 is equal to 35. Here it is. If you want to add 5 number into the 30, you will get the new number. Here is 35. Now students, here is the number already written. The number is already given, which is right. If you add 5 number into the 35, you will get the new number, which is 4040. You will get the next number by adding 5. So if you add 5 number into the 35, you will get the 4040 number. Now to get a next number, you have to add 5 number into the 40. So 40 plus 5 is equal to 45. Here is the number, which is the next one. If you add 5 number into the 40, you will get the number 45. Now the next one. To get a next number, just add 5 number into the 45. What you should do? If you want a next number, just add 5 number into the 45. So 45 plus 5 is equal to 5050. Which number you are getting? 5050. 45 plus 5050. Now students, if you want a next number, just add 5 number into the 5050. What to do? If you want a next number, just add 5 number into the 5050. So 5050 plus 5 is equal to 55. Here it is. If you want to add 50 plus 5, you will get the number 5555. Now the next one. If you want to add a 5 number into the 55, you will get the next number, which is 6060. Here it is. If you will add 5 number into the 55, you will get the next number, which is 6060. Now add 5 number into the 6060. So you will get the next number, which is 65. Here is the number. You can see here is the number 65. Now to get a next number, add 5 number into the 65. So 65 plus 5 is equal to 7070. You can see we get the next number. Now here it is. 7070 plus 5 is equal to 75. Here it is. 7070 plus 5 is equal to 75. So we get the next number. Now 75 plus 5 is equal to 8080. Now 80 plus 5 is equal to 85. To get a next number, just add 5 number into the 80. So 80 plus 5 is equal to 85. Now students, to get a new number, a next number, just add 5 into the 85. So 85 plus 5 is equal to 9090. 85 plus 5 is equal to 9090. Now the next one, 9090, add 5 number into it. So 90 plus 5 is equal to 95. Here is the next number. Now to get a next number, just add 5 number into the 95. So 95 plus 5 is equal to 100. Here it is, you can see in this blue balloon. Now if you want to, here the next number is already given. So if this answer is right or not, just add 5 number into the 100. So 100 plus 5 is equal to 105. Now the next one, 105 plus 5 is equal to 110. Here it is. Just add 5 number and get the next number. So 105 plus 5 is equal to 110. Now 110 plus 5. So you will get the next number. 110 plus 5 is equal to 115. Here it is, 110 plus 5 is equal to 115. So to get a next and last number, 115 plus 5 is equal to 120. So this way students, you have to just complete this pattern by adding 5 number to get a next number. This way you have to complete the worksheet. Now count 200 by tens. What it means, this worksheet? It means you have to add 10 numbers. In the previous worksheet, we are adding 5 numbers, right students? But in this worksheet, you have to add 10 numbers to get a 100 number, right? So let's start doing this worksheet. This is very easy students, nothing hard in this. You have to observe this pattern, read the heading, what we have to do in this pattern. So first of all, read the heading, then observe the pattern, then just think about it, understood the pattern first, and then you have to just write down and complete the pattern. This way you can complete the pattern. So now here is 10 number is here already given. So if you want to a next number, just add 10 number into the 10 number. I repeat this thing again so you will be better understood this. Just add 10 number into the 10 number and you will get the next number. So students, 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Here is the number 20. 10 plus 10 is equal to 20. Now we are getting the second number. To get a next number, just add 10 number into the 20. What to do? To get a next number, just add 10 number into the 20. So 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. So our next number is 3030. Here is 20 and the next number is 30. Right students? This way you will get the next number and you can complete the pattern by yourself also. Here is 10, here is 20, here is 30. Okay, so let's get the next number. To get a next number, just add 10 number into the 3030. So 3030 plus 10 is equal to 4040. If you want to get a next number, just add 10 number into the 3030. So 10 plus 3030 is equal to 4040. So here is the next number. Now here is 10, 20, 30 and 40. So the last number is 40. So if I want a next number, just add 10 number into the 4040. What to do? To get a next number, just add 10 number into the 4040. So 4040 plus 10 is equal to 5050. Here you can see, if you add 10 number into the 4040, you will get the next number, which is 5050. You can see now. So here is the next number is already given. So if it is right or not, let's check it. So if you add 10 number into the 5050, you will get the next number, which is 6060, which is already given, right? Now to get a next number, just add 10 number into the 6060. What? To get a next number, just add 10 number into the 6060. So 6060 plus 10 is equal to 7070. What to do? If you want to get a new number, a next number, just add 10 number into the 6060. So 60 plus 10 is equal to 7070. Now students, if you want a new number, a next number, just add 10 number into the 7070. I hope you understood this. To get a next number, just add 10 number into the 7070. Now 7070 plus 10 is equal to 8080. To get a new number, a next number, just add 10 number into the 7070. So 70 plus 10 is equal to 8080. Now the next number is already given. If you add 10 number into the 8080, you will get the next number, which is 9090. This number is already given. Now students, to get a new number, you have to add 10 number into the 9090. So 9090 plus 10 is equal to 100. 100 what? If you want to add 10 number into the 9090, you will get the next number, which is 100. 100. Now let's read this all the numbers together, so you will be better understood this. Here is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100, 100. This way you can complete these types of worksheet by yourself also. Very easy these worksheets are, and you have to write down these worksheets into your fair book. Now I have next worksheet for you students. So let's read the heading first. Here it is pattern with geometric shapes. So here is the pattern of shapes is there. This worksheet is made with the shapes, which is geometric shapes. Right, here is, let's observe the pattern first. Here is circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. Here is circle and rectangle. So what will be the next two pattern will come. What will be the next two shapes? We have to observe the pattern first and then we have to decide. Here is circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. So what will be the next? It is a circle and rectangle. So now this pattern is complete. So let's just observe again, it is true or not. Here is circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. Here is circle, rectangle. Here is circle and rectangle. So this way you can complete the pattern by observing it. Now let's observe the next pattern. Here is circle, triangle, circle, triangle. Here is circle and triangle. So what will be the next two shape will come to complete the pattern? Which shape we have to add to complete this pattern? Here it is. Let's observe again so we can think about it. We can write down the correct shape. So here is circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. So what will be the next shape? It will be a circle, then triangle. Here it is. Now let's observe again. It is true or not. Here is circle, triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. Again circle and triangle. I hope you understood this. Now the next one, oval, diamond shape, oval, diamond shape. Here is oval and diamond shape. So what will be the next four shapes will come? So let's observe again. Here is oval, diamond shape. Here is oval, diamond shape, oval and diamond shape. So next will be the oval and diamond shape. Here is oval, here is diamond shape. Next will be the oval and the next will be the diamond shape. Oval and diamond shape, oval and diamond shape. Now this pattern is complete. If you observe this, now the pattern is completely oval, diamond shape, oval, diamond shape. Here is oval, diamond shape. Here is oval, diamond, oval and diamond. So now here this pattern is complete. Now let's move to the next one. Here it is triangle, star, triangle, star. Here is triangle and star. So what will be the next two shape will come? Which two shape will come to complete this pattern? Let's see this triangle, star. Here is triangle, star. Here is triangle and star. So next will be the triangle and star. You can see here is next will be a triangle and star. Now the next one, here is rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, then rectangle, circle, rectangle and circle. Now by adding these shapes, if you observe, this pattern is complete now. See this, here is rectangle, then circle, rectangle, then circle, rectangle, then circle, rectangle, then circle. So here we can complete the pattern by observing the pattern. Now the next one, here is all the are triangles, but the positions are different. So this is the next position. Here is the opposite. Here is the front, then the opposite and the front. This way you can complete the pattern this way, and you have to note down, you have to write down this pattern worksheet into the fair book and into the rough book. In both the books you have to draw this shape and complete the pattern. All the worksheet is solved in the video also, right students? Now the next worksheet I have for you. In this worksheet you have to choose the correct shape, then which shape will come the next? What to do in this worksheet? In this worksheet you have to correct option, you have to choose the correct option, that which shape will come the next to complete the pattern. Here is triangle down, triangle up, triangle up, triangle down, triangle up, triangle up. Two time, here is triangle down, two time up, here is down, two time up. So next will be the down, because one time it is down. See, the shape is down. Then two time up, one time triangle is down, then two time up, and here is triangle is down. So from this two given option, the correct option is the triangle down. Now the next pattern, let's move on to the next pattern. Here is pentagon, pentagon, then triangle, pentagon, pentagon, and triangle. So what will be the come next shape? Let's observe again this thing. Two pentagon, one triangle, two pentagon, one triangle. So what will be the next? It must be a pentagon. Here it is. See, two pentagon, one triangle, two pentagon, one triangle. So next will be a pentagon. It is a pentagon shape. So I circle on the pentagon shape. Then the next one, let's move to the next pattern. Here is two circle, one square, then two circle, one square. Let's observe it again. Here is two circle, then one square, two circle, one square. Here is two circle, one square. So what will be the next shape? So next shape will be a circle. You can see I just put circle on the circle. It's good to hear that I put circle on the circle, right students? Now let's move to the next shape. Here is all the shapes are star, but the position is changed. Stars are same, but the position is changed. So let's see the what will be the next shape is there. So I just say you this one is a right answer. If you see on the screen and if you observe the pattern of the star, you can understood that this is the correct answer or not. Both the options are given in front of you on the screen. You can see that which shape is right or which shape is wrong. Now the next one. Here is this hexagon shape is there. So two hexagon and one circle. I'll show you through the red dot moving around it. Here is two hexagon shape. Here it is, the both the shapes are hexagon. So here is two hexagon shape, one circle. Again two hexagon shape and one circle. So can you observe this pattern? Two hexagon shape, one circle, two hexagon shape, one circle. So what will be the next shape will come to complete the pattern? Two hexagon, one circle, two hexagon and one circle. So the next shape will be a hexagon. We must put circle on the hexagon. Now let's move to the last one. Let's see this pattern is correct or not. Here is two pentagon, one triangle. What? Two pentagon, one triangle. Again two pentagon and one triangle. So what will be the next shape to complete this pattern? Let's observe again this. Two pentagon, one triangle. Two pentagon, one triangle. So what will be the next shape to complete this pattern? So students, the next shape is the pentagon. You have to put the circle on the pentagon. You must put circle on the pentagon. Thank you so much, students. Thank you so much, students, for watching this video. Just write down all the worksheet into the fair book and rough book also, and wait for the next video. So stay home, stay safe, stay strong. Thank you so much. Bye bye, students.